Hello and welcome to OMC Ford and Kia here in Oldham. Today we'll look at this VAUXHALL MOKKA. This is a 1.4 design Navigator. It's a petrol engine car. It's currently covered 42,605 miles. The car's got excellent service history and specification includes satellite navigation, 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, Bluetooth and cruise control. Let's take a closer look at some of those features. As you can see there, we've got front and rear electric windows and electric folding mirrors. Also got there automatic headlights. On the steering wheel, got cruise control, also your Bluetooth and your voice control on the right hand side. Upholstery is charcoal grey, and we've also got there driver's armrest and headrests. And you can see from the display there for the current mileage at 42,609. Entertainment system is largely touchscreen. It's got AM, FM and DAB options on the radio. We've also got navigation. It's also equipped for Apple Play and Android Auto as well. Car's fully air conditioned with dual zone climate control. It's also equipped with USB port and an auxiliary socket. 6-speed gearbox. A nice big spacious boot, split rear seats, removable parcel shelf, and then extra storage under the board. We've also got various anchor points around the boot to keep your belongings safe and secure. The car is available for viewing and for test drive here at OMC in Oldham, or Manchester Road in Oldham. Our phone number is 0161 287 4141. Please give us a call for further details. We can also provide a more personalised, more detailed video if required. We offer a selection of finance products, which we're happy to tell you about, and we take any cars and parts exchange. If you are looking for a test drive, please remember to bring along your driving licence, and we'll appraise your car while you're driving your new choice. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for now.